Hey there, I'm Brian Gavigan, the Yellow Design Stunt Team. We're in the Yellow Zone at Woodward Skate Park in Denver, Colorado. I'm going to teach you how to do a 360. Things you're going to need are a bike, a helmet, and a ramp. It helps to have a ramp, and it helps to also know 180s before you do a 360. The tip on a 360 is you're going to want to get a little bit more speed than a 180. And you want to keep looking over your shoulder all the way until you land so you can get that feeling of rotating a full 360 degrees. So you're going to need more speed, you're going to want to look over your shoulder, and you want to keep looking to spot your landing a full 360 from where you began. It really helps if you stay compressed in your bike. It's going to help you spin better. And like I said, on the 180s, you're going to want that whole body motion in that 360. You're going to want your hands, your feet, your hips, your head. It all starts with your head, and you're going to want to get some speed, go up the ramp, compress, and spin around, looking for the landing as you come around, then relax for your landing and absorb with your knees.